Hey there, Kevin with FEC. Let's dive into the details of the Ekko Rear Ladder. The ladders that come on these things are chintzy at best, so we wanted to give you guys an option to upgrade if that's something that you value. This falls in suit with all of our van ladders, right? Same treads, same durability, same quality materials, just for your Ekko instead. The ladder is a one-piece all aluminum construction. It mounts back to the Ekko in the same locations as the stock one, so no new holes, nothing's gonna be exposed. On these bottom ones, there is a plate that goes on the inside. We can get access inside of the garage area there. There's some standoffs to help not crush the foam inside of the wall. All of the points that you make contact, you're gonna wanna have some silicone around that foot to seal it up so no water can penetrate in there, same as the OE. The steps are all laser cut, formed. There's dimples on the top side to give you grip when you're walking up. If it's wet conditions, sandy, snowy, cold, whatever, you wanna make sure you've got good grip underfoot. The treads are fully welded all the way around, all TIG welded, great penetration, extremely strong, can handle all the weight you can throw at it. On the face of the steps, there's also a hole and slot pattern, so if you are gonna mount some stuff, it's already prepped for that, as well as the ability to mount on the tube on the side of that if you've got tube clamps. Up top, there is one more step to kind of help on that up and over, so when you're up pretty high, because these things are tall, it's a lot of stability underfoot as you're making that transition up top to go clean solar panels off or whatever it is you're doing. That's it. If you guys have more questions, you want to see some more photos, detailed shots, whatever, head over to the product page on the website. Also, if there's something unique, special about your situation, hit up our customer service team. They're happy to help you guys. And that's it. Thanks, guys.